from across the world. Gift City project was conceptualized and started by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. Along with other finance giants, Honorable Modi ji invited Asia's first and fastest stock exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, to set up an international exchange at Gift City. During the Vibrant Gujarat 2015, BSE signed an MOU with Government of Gujarat for setting up this exchange. And today, one day prior to the Vibrant Gujarat 2017, India International Exchange is ready to be inaugurated. On this auspicious occasion of inauguration of India's first international exchange, India INEX, on behalf of BSE and Gift City, I once again extend a very, very warm welcome to distinguished dignitaries on the dais, respected guests, invitees, delegates, trading members, brokers, government officials, representatives, and friends from press and electronic media. We begin by welcoming the dignitaries. I request MD Gift, Shri Ajay Pandey, to kindly welcome Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji with bouquet of flowers. Hello. Sorry. I also request MD and CEO BSE Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to kindly welcome Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan to also welcome all the dignitaries on the dais. Shri Vijay Rupani, Honorable Chief Minister, Gujarat. Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, Honorable Union Minister of State, Finance and Corporate Affairs, Government of India. Shri U.K. Sinha ji, Chairman, SEBI. Thank you very much. I now invite BSE Chairman Shri Sudhakar Rao to give the welcome address. Shri Sudhakar Rao.
Namaskar and a very good evening to all of you. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister Shri Vijay Rupani ji, Honorable Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs, and Chairman of the International Financial Services Center, IFSC Task Force, Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, Shri U.K. Sinha, Chairman SEBI, Dr. J.N. Singh, Chief Secretary, Government of Gujarat, Shri Sudhir Mankad, Chairman, Gift City, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed an honor and privilege for me to welcome you all to this momentous event today, the inauguration of the India International Exchange. I must in particular mention the presence of international financial institutions like the Deutsche Börse Eurex, CME, DGCX, Euroclear, Clearstream, China Haitong Securities, and S&P Dow Jones Index in today's gathering. True to BSE's heritage of being India's and Asia's first stock exchange, we have taken the initiative to set up the first international exchange in IFSC. This is because we believe in the potential that the new exchange and IFSC have to transform India's financial market landscape. As already mentioned, it was in 2013 that respected Shri Modi ji, as Chief Minister of Gujarat, invited BSE to set up an international exchange in IFSC. The BSE board, then headed by Shri S. Ramadorai, readily accepted this invitation. The next significant step was the signing of an MOU to this effect in Vibrant Gujarat 2015. It is therefore a matter of special pride for us that today, in less than 2 years from then, the Honorable Prime Minister is inaugurating the new exchange on the eve of Vibrant Gujarat 2017. In reaching this watershed, we have benefited enormously from the support made available to us across the spectrum by many people and institutions. To elaborate, a state-of-the-art smart city established by GIFT authorities and enabled by the government of Gujarat under the personal guidance of the Honorable Chief Minister, strong support from policymakers spearheaded by IFSC Task Force under the leadership of Honorable Shri Arjun Ram Meghwal ji, cautious, well-introspected, but encouraging support from the regulators, in particular, SEBI, RBI, Ministries of Finance and Corporate Affairs, and Commerce in the formulation of new norms for the new exchange while ensuring necessary safeguards, and unstinted encouragement and wholehearted support of the BSE board, our members, banks, infrastructure builders, particularly the Hiranandani Group and BSE management. Needless to say, today we are taking only the initial steps towards what all stakeholders hope and believe will be a game changer in the Indian financial sector. Eventually, through the India International Exchange, we hope to be price setters and not price takers for our own currency, to be a dependable and reliable source in catering to cross-border demand for financial services, to ease fundraising for Indian entrepreneurs from global markets, among others. Incidentally, INX will also support the Skill India mission, and I am very happy to inform you that we intend to skill and make employable 20,000 youth for the financial sector over the next 5 years. We recognize that we still have a long way to go to be competitive with global exchanges. We will have to evolve and strive constantly to improve the ease of doing business in the exchange, offer world-class infrastructure and services to incentivize market participants to partner with us, and adopt best practices from not just other global exchanges, but also their financial ecosystem, and regularly update the state-of-the-art technology that we already have in place. And in doing this, we will depend on the support and empathy of the regulators and policymakers on a continuing basis. Of crucial importance would be the support and blessings of the Honorable Prime Minister for the success of this venture and the significant contribution it can make to the Indian economy. On behalf of BSE, its board and management, I can assure the Honorable Prime Minister and this august gathering and all participating members, regulatory and supervisory entities that we will ensure the highest levels of transparency, governance, compliance, and adopt global best practices as we go ahead. I thank you all, and in particular the respected Prime Minister, for being with us today on this special occasion. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Honorable Modi ji had the vision of setting up a global financial center at par with the leading international financial centers such as London, Hong Kong, Singapore, and New York. Let us have a look at the Indian Inks through audio-visual presentation.
Dharmasya moolam artha, sukhasya moolam dharma. India, the most powerful nation on earth. Chanakya, the master strategist and mentor of the great Chandragupta Maurya Empire, unified India to fight oppressive invaders and established good governance through a book that has become a manifesto for administrators, Arthashastra. Centuries later, India is once again witnessing resurgence, spearheaded by the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, presenting the India International Exchange at GIFT City's International Financial Services Center. India INX will serve as the ultimate exchange for the world to trade safely, efficiently, transparently, with better regulations and liquidity. India INX, where India means business.
वाइब्रेंट गुजरात की विकास गति को मजबूत और तेज करने की जिम्मेवारी जिन्होंने संभाली है, ऐसे हमारे गुजरात के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री विजयभाई रूपाणी से निवेदन है, आप प्रसंगोचित उद्बोधन करें। आदरणीय श्री विजयभाई रूपाणी।
भारत के करोड़ों लोगों के हृदय सम्राट और जिन्होंने एक निडरता के साथ ऐसे बड़े बड़े कदम देश के हित के लिए उठाए हैं, ऐसे हमारे प्रिय प्रधानमंत्री आदरणीय नरेंद्र भाई मोदी जी, भारत सरकार के राज्य कक्षा के फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर आदरणीय अर्जुन मेघवाल जी, बीएससी के चेयरमैन सुधाकर राव जी, सेबी के चेयरमैन सिन्हा जी, गिफ्ट सिटी के चेयरमैन सुधीर माकड़ जी, चीफ सेक्रेटरी जयंत सिंह जी, उपस्थित भाई और बहनों, वाइब्रेंट गुजरात का 8वीं श्रृंखला के प्रारंभ के पूर्व संध्या पर इस सुंदर गिफ्ट सिटी के लिए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी जिन्होंने ये सपना संजोया था, और वो जब हमारे मुख्यमंत्री थे तभी ये गिफ्ट सिटी और इंटरनेशनल फाइनेंशियल सेंटर यहां खड़ा हो और दुनिया का पूरा कारोबार यानी कि इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड यहां से पूरी दुनिया में हो, और भारत के सबसे पहला ये इंडिया का इंटरनेशनल एक्सचेंज का जो शुभारंभ हो रहा है, गुजरात के लिए ये सबसे बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि गुजरात की गांधीनगर की भूमि पर ये भारत का पहला ये इंडिया इंटरनेशनल एक्सचेंज बीएससी द्वारा जो चालू हो रहा है, उसका शुभारंभ प्रधानमंत्री के कल कमलों से हो रहा है। तो हमारे गुजरात के लिए ये बहुत खुशी की बात है। मैं जानता हूं कि बीएससी